Let's talk a little bit about what you as a chef recommend for anyone who's sitting at home listening with us today or in their car, wherever you're at. And they're thinking, I got to start cooking more home cooked meals. That's something that I
Yeah.
want to do this year. Where do people start?
Obviously, this is going to sound a little bit self-serving, but I really do believe it is find yourself a good butcher slash marketplace, whatever that is, because although I am a butcher now and I have a butcher shop, a lot of people right now are going to start saying that they can't, that they want to cut back on their red meat intake or their meat intake period, right? I'm going to go to a plant-based diet. And I've got no problem with that. I really don't. But I would say don't cut it out entirely because there are truly health benefits to red meat that your body needs and you'll crave. And when you cut it out, that's part of where people, I think, fail with their lifestyle change is that they cut things out. And you don't need to cut out everything in moderation, but find really good beef, really good pork, really good chicken, and really good vegetables, because the better that the ingredients are, the better they taste, and the less you have to do to them to make them taste good, right? My family was notorious for getting broccoli and smothering it in cheese sauce or mayonnaise or something.
Sometimes steaming it just to like a pulp too. I mean,
But I think finding those good ingredients, and it will sometimes mean spending a little bit more. But I mean, I tell you, I have people come in all the time and grab a steak from us at the butcher shop, and they come back or call the next day and they say, I'll never eat another grocery store steak in my life. Now that's not fair to every grocery store, but it is not their focus primarily because it's not their margin category, right? Their margin categories are in the canned goods and the stuff down the freezer section for the most part.